talk a lot of noise about cornball. I do. I talk a lot of noise about cornball. Mr. Sierra Wilson. 5-year, $245 million extension. Mr. Sierra Wilson will be retiring as a Bronco. I don't really have much to say. Get that bag. I heard a rumor that the GM for the Baltimore Ravens is looking for the GM of the Denver Broncos and the GM of the Cleveland Browns. He said when he see him, it's on site.
What? He gonna say no smoke? Because he has to be the dumbest, and by far, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this, the dumbest GM in captivity. You think a waiting game is gonna get you a better price from trying to re-sign Lamar Jackson? You really think that's gonna work for you? After he did what he did with a half of the team, not a whole team, no backfield, everybody across the board hurt. You think that waiting to sign probably one of the most dynamic football players, not quarterbacks, football players.
No, we're not doing that. Nope, we're not doing that. The most dynamic the most dynamic MVP quarterback.
Football player. Football player. Because when you lump him into quarterbacks, what's the comparison? There isn't a quarterback out there that does what he does.
He got MVP. That means he get Aaron Rodgers money. He got an MVP.
They finna back up the Brinks truck. They finna back up the Brinks truck. And and it's their own fault. Or don't back up the Brinks truck. Let him go into free agency. You got a home in Tampa. Got a good old home in Tampa. Yeah.
Fuck Tom Brady.
I'm talking about the
Marlo has already rolled Tom Brady. I do 50.
Tom Brady said he only coming back for a year. Signing a 2-year deal that says he can leave and go wherever he wants to, whenever he chooses.
I mean, he could go to Miami because you know that dude down there gonna flame out. You know he gonna flame out.
I'm just saying. Lamar Jackson.
All right.
Come on. You from Florida. Come on.
Tippy, he just did an open plea.
You got probably one of the most dynamic receiving cores in the league already in place and signed through multiple years. Come on. Doors are open. Would you come over?
He not leaving Baltimore.
Shit. Baltimore already showed their hand. They already showed their hand. They ain't even negotiating. Okay. I'm reloaded.
You know what?
Lamar Jackson goes out and has a productive season. He will be the highest paid quarterback at the end of the year.
Yep. He gonna probably be that anyway, even if he don't stay with Baltimore.
If they wait till Justin Herbert signs an extension, because the Chargers are working on it right now, because they done seen the writing on the wall. We can't wait. Because if we wait, it's going to be more expensive. They're working on his extension right now. If they wait till after Justin Herbert gets his extension, because Justin Herbert agent ain't no play. Ain't no play.
Doesn't even matter. It's just it's funny to me that some of these organizations self-destruct. They like you draft a franchise quarterback and know you got a franchise quarterback. Like he already done won the MVP. He 3 years in the league, going in the fourth year in the league, already got an MVP at quarterback. How many others done that?
There is only one quarterback that has a greater win percentage in his first 50 games, and he in the Hall of Fame.
I'm just saying.
Kenny Stabler. He's the Raider, ladies and gentlemen. He's the Raider.